cold drag, and all these UP locos again still sitting there. There's a cold drag going through. Oh, heyday, howdy. It's CONTAINERMAN68. Anyway, so I didn't do this on the way down from Grand Island. I got done in Grand Island about, actually, let's look here. Got done in Grand Island about 10:45 a.m. this morning. So I drove on down to Osborne to get service. Got some new tires. Well, new used tires. They're new to the truck, but they're still used. Okay? This is episode 43. I got a load of pipe on. Another driver brought the load of pipe up from McPherson, so I didn't have to go down and waste time because I only have 4 hours left. But yep, this is episode 43. PVC pipe. I have Casper, Wyoming, Vancouver, Washington, and Kent, Washington. I have my reload orders, which are going to Fort Lewis, but you know, I'll just keep that for later. Tight shit, right? Anyway, going to Fort Lewis on the return load, or reload. Fort Lewis military installation was what? Army. Pick up some military equipment, not sure exactly what. That's going to be going to Tucson. Hey, that's the airplane graveyard in Tucson. No, I'm not picking up airplane parts. Maybe it's a vehicle graveyard too. Huh. That'll be alright. Problem is I won't be able to take videos or pictures, but maybe what they don't know won't hurt them. I'll sneak some pictures somehow. Maybe not video, but I'll definitely get some pictures for you. So let's see, and then after that, I'll go back to Phoenix and pick up some return pipe that will go back to McPherson. So I already have my second reload. And the boss was nice enough that he said that I could go visit my friends, which is good because I got a while to hair up my you know what, to push Vinny into going back into train room number 1. If I could shoot the idea across to him, I try to tell him on on Facebook or Facebook Messenger. Hey, is that open again? Or is it the other side that's closed? See, I don't know. I was gonna go 9, but I know there's some detour signs someplace. I don't know if 9's open all the way over to 183. But anyway, I'm gonna go, which doesn't matter actually, because I'm gonna go this way up to Smith Center, and then go over on 36, and then go up Highway 8 to Minden, and then jog and get me up into Kearney, and then back up on 80, and then haul ass across 80 over to Ogallala. Hopefully I can make Ogallala in 4 hours, but we'll see. Anyway, so I'm going to see if I can convince Vinny to go back into train room number 1. And it doesn't have to be very high above the layout, the existing layout. He can put it right above, just right above it. And it'd still be within easy reach and still be able to see it. And I think it would just be a little more, because he said something about going, once you go past the Williams Junction, which is just outside of Williams, he could could run all the way, you know, if he went back into train room number 1 through the wall and then stopped that over at the closet, he could go all the way back to Flagstaff and then somehow do transcon, you know, intermodals and mixed freight, which, I mean, we'd have to do another return loop above Drake, which that's getting, you know, I don't know. I mean, but hey, guess what? And I'm gonna see if it works right now. I still have my flip mode on this camera. See, before the S8s, and I don't know about the 10s, if you couldn't, I know about the 8, you could not flip while recording. You could do it while you're live streaming, but you couldn't do it just recording, and I'm recording right now, so I'm going to try it. This is my S20 Ultra. I'm going to hit the flip to flip it back towards the front. See, I need to adjust it a little bit. It's a pretty nice view right here, but I'm going to try this and see if it continues. Okay, so here it goes. And yes, it did continue to record, so I am able to now flip the camera on the S20s. Uh-oh, there's a fire over here. See the... oh, can't see it. Can't see it. Can't see it. There's black smoke over here rising up. I tried. I really tried. I can't do it. I can't show you the black smoke. Well, maybe I could. Yeah, then I get down in the trees. I just put it on the second